Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever turned on your computer only to find that your hard drive won't boot? You might see errors like operating system not found, invalid partition table, or a blank screen. These issues are usually caused by a corrupted MBR, master boot record, missing boot files, or incorrect BIOS/UEFI settings. UEFI Partition Assistant is a partition manager that allows you to rebuild MBR on external drive and graphical user interface (GUI). Windows 7/8/10/11 supported. More important, you don't have to restart your computer to do MBR repairing. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix a hard drive that won't boot in Windows 10 or Windows 11, so your system can start normally again. Step 1. Connect the external drive to your PC. Install and launch UEFI Partition Assistant. Step 2. Click the external disk and select Rebuild MBR from the right pane. Step 3. Select the type of MBR for your current operating system. Step 4. Click Apply and then proceed to execute the pending operations. Step 5. At the pop-up confirming dialog, click Yes, and wait for the process completes. If this doesn't solve your problem, you can try the following. Step 1. Select Boot Repair. In the Main tab, please click the Recover tab and select Boot Repair. Step 2. Scan System Boot Entries. The Boot Repair tool will pop up. Please click Next to start the system's boot entries scan process. Step 3. Check System Boot Entries result. After the process is completed, it will display the scan result, system paths, system versions, and boot status. And all reparable boot entries will be available to select. Step 4. Select reparable boot entries to repair. Select one/multiple reparable boot entries you want to repair and click the Repair button to start the boot repair. Step 5. Repair successfully. Wait for the repair process to finish. Once it is finished, you can check the repair result. If it succeeds, you will get a Repair Successfully result. And that's how you can fix a hard drive that won't boot in Windows. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.